Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya, for those of you who are new that I'm viewing. Today I'll be installing this long, beautiful curly wig from Hermosahair. Today I'll be serving you guys closure realness, okay? This closure is everything. Even though we have limited lace space to work with, y'all, I promise it is very, very possible to make your unit look really realistic with limited lace. So here we go. So first things first, I did bleach the knots off camera. I also plucked the front of it just a little bit, just so we can have that realistic look. I'm going to start off with using my edge pomade stick and my hot comb because I want to mold the hair and make sure it's going in the direction that I want it to, like falling in that direction. So I'm making sure I push the edges back. I'm getting the roots flat as well as the closure. So all of the lace space, basically, I want it to be as flat as possible. It just makes the wig look good when you have laid down roots. So once I get the unit nice and flat, I'm just going to perfect that parting space, making sure that it is as straight as possible, you know, getting as straight as I would like it to be. And then we're going to move on to cut in the lace. So I always start off with the two end pieces where you get that thicker part of the lace. And I cut it at an angle to make sure all of that is gone because it's going to make it look like you have on a frontal when you really don't. You're getting rid of those little end pieces, and you guys can already see how good that looks. Once I cut off that lace and cut off those end pieces, it's already looking like scalp. Like, it looks like it's strictly glowing from my head. So to install the unit, I'm just going to use a little bit of my Got2b Insta-Hold spray. It was the one that I had on hand. And then I'm going to use my blow dryer to kind of just blow dry that down. And I did put the product underneath the lace just to make sure that we don't have any crusty, dusty looking lace. Putting it underneath definitely helps with that. Now, I definitely could have left this wig as is, but I just wanted to add a little bit of thin swoops on the side of this unit. I didn't make them thick, didn't make them long. I just wanted just a little bit of action on the forehead. So I'm going to make it all over towards the end of the closure because it kind of hides. It also hides just that little bit of indentation that you get from the end piece of the closure from the lace. So once I get that down and set, I'm just going to use a little bit more of that Got To Be spray on the roots right at the front to kind of swoop the hair back with my hot comb because it gives it a little bit of height. And then I'm going to follow through with some makeup in the parting space as well as around the front of the hairline, just making sure that everything is nice and blended in and melted. And guys, I think this is one of the best closures I've ever installed. Oh my God, it looks so good. So then we're just going to move on to the rest of the hair, and I'm just going to add some water as well as some Curl Days product as well. Just add a little bit of gel to it, makes it look nice and shiny, healthy. It just makes it look very juicy. So I did it all to the right side, and you can see the comparison from the right to the left versus not having any product or adding product. But you know, feel free to wear it how you want. So this is the final look, you guys, once I added some product to the left side, and y'all, it came out so freaking good. Oh my gosh, I love this entire wig, this entire process. Oh my gosh. So if you guys are interested in trying out this wig, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'm going to have a direct link for you. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.